Hello, peachies! Welcome back to Dear Peachie. Do you ever feel like every time you try to do your eyeliner, your hand just won't stop shaking? Or you can only manage to pull the line straight back, and somehow it just never matches your eye shape? And sometimes it looks okay while you're drawing it. But the second you open your eyes, boom, it disappears right into your eyelid crease. Frustrating, right? In today's video, we are going to show you 3 eyeliner styles that work on literally any eye shape. Whether you want to subtly extend your eyes, create that lifted and snatched effect, or go for a playful, cute gaze, these techniques work on literally any eye shape. So get comfy, grab your liner, and let's do this together. The first style is the everyday eyeliner, and this one is all about keeping it soft, natural, and super wearable. To start, place a tiny mark right at the end of your eyelid crease. Then make another point just a few millimeters away from the outer rim of your iris, basically halfway across the outer corner of your eye. From the very corner of your eye, draw a line connecting to that crease point, and then connect the second point to the crease as well. This will form a neat little triangle. Once you've got that shape, just fill it in, and then flip your eyeliner pen sideways to softly trace along your lash roots, blending everything into the outer corner. And that's it, the perfect everyday eyeliner. It looks natural, clean, and honestly, it just goes with everything. Next up is the winged eyeliner, which instantly gives your eyes that snatched, elegant vibe. Start by following the natural curve of your lower lash line and extending a small flick upward from the outer corner. Then place a dot at the outer edge of your iris and connect it to that flick. Making sure to avoid your crease so the liner doesn't disappear when you open your eyes. Once you've got the shape, fill in the triangle and then turn your liner sideways to trace softly along the lash line for a clean finish. For the inner corner liner, gently pull the inner corner so you can clearly see the inner part of your eye. Follow the natural shape of your inner corner and draw a tiny line just slightly below your inner corner level. Finally, join the lower end of that line down toward your lower lash line for a smooth transition. If you really want to take this look up a notch, pair it with some flare-out falsies. That will give you a foxy eye effect, making your eyes look longer, lifted, and a little bit mysterious in the best way. And finally, we have the playful cat eye. Start at the outer corner of your eye and draw a line downward, just slightly lower than your actual outer corner. From the end of that line, flick it upward to form a sharp right angle. Then, from the outer edge of your iris, extend a line back to connect with that flick, creating a neat little triangle. Go ahead and fill that in. Next, lift your eyelid gently so you can clearly see your lash line and trace along the roots of your lashes, connecting it seamlessly with your outer liner. To finish the look, take a flat angled brush dipped in a soft top shadow and line along your lower lash line, starting from the end of your eyeliner and blending it inward toward the middle of your iris. Soften it out for a smooth gradient effect. The end result is the cutest cat eye. Flirty, charming, and just a touch mischievous, perfect for when you want your eyes to stand out in a fun, playful way. So whether you want something natural for every day, sleek for going out, or playful for when you want to stand out, these 3 styles will have you covered. Practice them a couple of times, and we promise your eyeliner struggles will be a thing of the past. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye.